This is Math 141 practice test number 3. Problem number 10. We're supposed to find the inverse of this matrix. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to augment it with that identity. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that its solution is the identity, and then I'm going to solve that matrix. So I'm going to grab this matrix. Boom, I'm going to put it into my calculator. And then I'm going to do some row operations to try and get it so this side is the identity, and whatever's here, if the inverse exists, that would be what's here. So let's see. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of that 3. So I'm going to go -3 times row 1 plus row 2. That's going to go into row 2. And then notice that after I do that, I get this. And so now, I want this to be a 1. I want this to be in reduced row echelon form. So I'm going to multiply row 2 by -1/2. That should be a -1/2. That's going to make that a 1. And I do that on my calculator. My new matrix is this. So I'm close. So far I have the 1, the 0, and the 1. I just need this to be a 0. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this 1 to make that 2 into a 0. And let's do it. -2 times row 2 plus row 1. That answer is going to go into row 1. And after I do that on my calculator, or I guess I can do it by hand if I like, I get this. And so now notice what I have is the identity is now on the left, and it's augmented with what could be my solution matrix. If this original matrix was matrix A, what's in here has the possibility to be A inverse. I actually have to check it. The way I check it is I can go A times A inverse, make sure I get the identity back, go A inverse times A, and make sure I get the identity back as well. I can do that check on my calculator or whatever it takes, but this one does work. So -2, 1, 1.5, 0.5.